So, Jay, I hear you cry. What the hell are you doing? I didn't realise you had epic DIY skills. I don't. But I thought I'd give it a go. This may end horribly. I know it's not what I normally do, but basically I end up with a good table you can kind of do yourself, but basically for a computer desk, or this ends in absolute disaster and it's funny to watch. So either way, you win, and one way, I win. So, as second lockdown kind of looms on us, thought I needed a project. This is basically my project here. I'm doing this out in the end, which will be my office studio type thing, but I needed another table. The tables are expensive, like stupidly expensive. I don't like spending money on stuff like that to be in the end. So I thought I'd make my own. YouTube is good or bad, depending on which way you see it. Because there's a lot of people on YouTube who've obviously built their own. It makes them look so easy, doesn't it? So, just been to B&Q. Bought some wood, bought some glues. I've already got nails and my drill and stuff. How hard can it be? Right, let me try and explain my thought process here. So you buy these, 150 centimeters long. So I've bought 8 of them, 4 of them as for table, 2 going underneath, basically to put it all together. And then I thought, a bit of edging underneath. I'm gonna hide there's a power supply, USB, things like that, and then it can hide all my wires as well. That's the thought process behind it. One down. So one goes like that, the other one goes here, and then these kind of stick up. Again, we just kind of go around these. Simple, eh? Instead of just screwing them down, I am gonna glue these long bits as well. Again, just so it doesn't move. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or wrong thing to do. It can all help, can't it? I think that's the kind of point. So let's do that now. It smells like PVA. Pretty sure it's just PVA glue. Right, take 2. I was doing the gluing on this bench. Didn't think it through, did I? Because it needs to be kind of up, pressing together. So I'm just kind of leaning it against here just to see if that'll work. Again, I have no idea if I'm doing the right thing or not. But what I'll do is do all these, come back tomorrow. I think. Make sure I've obviously got them right the way around, because they're not perfect, basically. It's just like treated timber. It's fairly rough, but again, that's the kind of look I'm going for. You helping Daddy?
Dad, come on. Dad.
Can I have the pen? Brilliant. Right. Should we do a little mark on here? 4 inches. 2 inches either side.
No, but
Oops, sorry.
what that is.
So, quick update. Found a couple of G-clamps, glued it together, and also basically drilled these in as it kind of been all held together. Hopefully that'll make it nice and solid and squished. These bits kind of go on the sides, kind of like that, and then this bit goes like that. And the reason I'm putting them on is to actually hide all the wires, because that's going to be the back of the table, and I'm going to be, and the back of my computer is going to be facing outwards, if that makes sense. So that's why I wanted to put something just to cover all the wires, make it a little bit cleaner. Again, this is all just kind of guesswork, and it looks like it's alright so far. Looks fairly solid. We'll carry on. So what I've done now is basically the back bit. I'll just show you there. This just screws onto where I've screwed these onto there. I'm going to put another one across there and another one across there. But these are just like L brackets. Fairly straightforward. Again, it's not particularly neat, but it doesn't have to. But it is fairly solid, which is nice. And then I just need to put some legs on, proper sand it down, stain it, then varnish it. It should be good. It's actually coming together, which I'm kind of surprised about. Something's got to go wrong somewhere. So we are skipping a little bit into the future now. As you can see, all together, I have stained it and varnished it. The varnish, I think I might have got the wrong one. It's meant to be like a polyurethane varnish, which gives it like almost like a plastic kind of coating. But I've got like a standard matte or satin kind of varnish, and it's still giving a bit kind of rough around the edges. That's probably more to do with my sanding skills than anything. I actually quite like it. I think it's quite cool. The legs are from IKEA, like 12 quid each. Like, cannot go wrong at all. They are Oddvald. Odd. You can kind of see it, Oddvald. IKEA obviously delivers, so got them sent to obviously deliver here because it costs a fortune, but got them sent to Matalan. Yeah, 12 quid each for 2 black ones. I have sawn the edges off. Let me just pick you up. If you can see, kind of, if you're going to focus. Yeah, so basically that would actually come out the end here. So I've sawn the edges off, just so it sits a bit better. It still looks a bit funny because I've had a coat of varnish on it, and that's still drying. But yeah, the stain, if you do want to know, is one seal. It's dark oak. I wanted like quite a dark colour for it, and varnish is just like normal wood kind of varnish. Oh, I'm really happy with it. It probably needs a couple more coats of varnish. But yeah, for 50 quid, 60 quid, and a little bit of hard work, this is brilliant. So, all good. Hope if you like that. A little bit different video. But if you did like it, again, thumbs up, subscribe, all that rubbish. Probably won't be many other DIY ones. When I get this place done, kind of all done out, I might do a quick video about that and what I'm doing with it, and kind of things like that. But that won't be for a while yet, at least easy after Christmas. That's going to be a bit more of a big job. So good. See you later.